Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It is Friendship Friday. This wonderful open collaboration is hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. Today I have some surprise mail. I also have an Etsy purchase. So let's start off with some happy mail from Stay Stays. If you're not familiar with her channel, she has amazing project shares from showing you how to use some Kokorosa dyes. She has Temu hauls and also has joined so many collaborations and supported so many of our channels. So Stace, thank you so much. I especially love also her creations where it has a Maggie Holmes theme. So let's see what she sent. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, check that out. Talk about the die cuts I was referring to. It says best wishes. And how intricate is that? That's a lot of work with our adorable flamingo. It says best wishes. And there is her YouTube channel. Let me see what it says. Oh my gosh. Oh, she is so sweet. She says, "Hi there, sorry I missed your summer challenge, but I wanted to send these cards anyway. You are so sweet." Oh my goodness. So let me see what she sent. And she's also sent a little die cut there. But have a look at the adorable strawberry shortcake playing cards. And I am a big fan of strawberry shortcake. So sweet of you to share these. These are so adorable. This definitely made my day. There's our two of a kind and these adorable cards. I love that she's standing on top of the strawberry. That's super sweet. Thank you so much, Stace. I am going to add that to my collection of cards of everyone that's received it. So thank you so much. Let's look at the next happy mail. It is from By Mimi with Love, and she is a long time crafty friend of mine and a amazing journal artist. She has some wonderful ideas on how to make them, and when she does her flip throughs, it's really awesome. She's also joined numerous of my challenge giveaways, so if you missed it, I'll make sure to link the one recent one that she sent me, and I just love it. So let's open up. Thank you so much, Mimi. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, what is in here? Let's open the card. She is also the host of Enjoy Purple with us, and I know Annie Creates and Linda's Thrifty Life. They are collaborators for that. So please make sure to check out By Mimi with Love's channel. I will link it down below. It says thank you so much, and I love the embossing on that. And on the back, we have her maker's mark. It says Mimi 2023. So let me read her message. Thank you so much, Mimi. It's a thank you card for the surprise birthday mail I had sent her. And I know she's been busy this summer, and so have a lot of you. So I really appreciate it. Let's open up this first bag and see what she has included. I see beautiful fashion stickers here. Check this out. And I do not have any of these. I know I bought some from Temu, but these are new to me. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful. Love these stickers. Thank you so much. She's also sent me some beautiful little charms. Wow. I'm going to just put them here so you can have a little quick look there. Thank you. And what is this? Oh, how fun. I love cherry, and this is perfect for the summer. Something to put on our desk. Look at these page flags here. We have a little notepad, and I love these. Love putting this in my planner or my junk journal. You can use this for your listing, and then you can notate with these. So super awesome. Thank you so much for that, Melissa. And what do we have here? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. There's a little tuck, and I love the colors here with all the rhinestone. Let's open it up. Am I still in frame? Oh my gosh, she has shared some cards, but check out the pockets. I love it. And these are like clear overlays of our little fairies. A long time ago, Mimi's so sweet. She sent me a fairy book, And I love it so much. So I am going to add that to my personal fairy journal. And then in the middle here, look at that pocket. It is filled with these cards. Oh my gosh. Let me just show you first how she made this pocket. Oh my gosh. It's an accordion style pocket. I mean, how fun is that? That is a wonderful way to use up your paper stash. And then there's a little tuck. Oh my gosh, there's more. But let's first look at the amazing playing cards she sent me. Red Hat Society. How fun is that? We have a little site here. That is super cool. And I love this postage themed one. Love it. Thank you so much, Mimi. Put that right there. And let's see, we have these mini little math flashcards. I have never seen these. These are super fun. This will be, again, wonderful additions to a junk journal. So Mimi, thank you. Thank you so much for the super sweet happy rack mail that you sent me. And we have one more. And this is a purchase from Kathy's Favorite Things Etsy shop. So she sells journals and she has her amazing chunky charms for sale there. So if you want to see it, I think she does custom orders too. So if you want to message her, I'll link her channel also down below with her Etsy. And I love supporting fellow Etsy owners. I have my own Etsy shop as well. And so I am excited. She joined my summer giveaway. And I was so surprised when she had gifted me that beautiful Hello Kitty dangle charm. So thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, it says, Clarissa, thank you so much for your purchase. I greatly appreciate. I hope, of course, I will enjoy this, Kathy. This is amazing. You make amazing stuff. Let me show you her business card. And we will take out the beautiful. So here it is, guys. Take a note, do a screenshot of that and head on over and check out her shop. Wonderful. Put that right there and check out the packaging. And I just fell in love with this. I want to attach it to that beautiful summer journal that Cornflower Crafts made for me and my family. So I thought this would match perfectly because it has all the fun elements that I like to see in a dangle charm, especially for summer. Let me just take it out of the plastic. And then I'll probably put an insert shot again because I don't know if I will be able to show it off in full, but look at the gorgeous beads. And I love those beautiful green, pink, and the bunny. We have all these other elements in there. I just love it. Thank you so much, Kathy. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy this happy Friendship Friday Happy Mail unboxing. Make sure to show all these ladies some crafty love. All their links will be down below. Again, stay stays. Thank you so much. By Mimi with Love and Kathy's Favorite Things. Love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you again next time. Bye.